In what is expected to bolster the combat capability of the Russian Air Force, Irkutsk Aviation Plant of the United Aircraft Corporation handed over a batch of multifunctional Su-30SM2 fighters and Yak-130 combat training aircraft to the Aerospace Forces of Russia. The corporation also notified that the aircraft passed the necessary ground and flight tests and went to the place of service. The latest delivery comes just months after the last batch of Su-30SM2 was delivered to the Russian Aerospace Forces in July this year. This suggests that the production and testing of this cutting-edge fighter jet is proceeding in full force. The Russian Air Force and the Navy employ the Su-30SM2 fighters, an upgraded version of the Su-30SM. The Su-30SM2 features improved onboard radio electronic equipment. The new radar would also allow strikes on targets on land, in the air, and at sea from several hundred kilometers away when paired with new, precision weapons. The modernized variant has a more powerful AL-41FS1 engine, Airbus N035 radar, improved avionics, and modern weapons. Interestingly, the AL-41FS1 engine and the Airbus N035 radar were initially developed for the Su-35S fighter, indicating the aircraft leverages the technology meant for the Su-35, which has already proven its combat prowess in Ukraine. Along with the Su-30SM2, the Russian Air Force also secured delivery of the Yak-130, the last batch of these aircraft delivered to Russia this year, as noted by UAC Director General Yuri Slyasar. According to Slyasar, the enterprise has already begun work on the aircraft, which will be delivered next year. In addition to conducting combat missions against ground and air targets in favorable and unfavorable weather circumstances, the Yak-130 combat training aircraft is designed for flight and combat training of pilots on the 4th and 5th generation fighters. As a result, the Yak-130 combat trainer jet can be used for light combat operations and training.